9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I had to take a little break yesterday. I mean, I did updates, I did a live stream, but I needed to cool the old brain off. Was getting a lot of the same stuff. So sometimes it's just best to take a step back. So Bitcoin, 39,000. Let me take off the Ichimoku. Okay, and let me throw on the RSI and stochastic so we can kind of see where the buyers' heads are. Okay, so we've done a lot here, guys. In the daily time frame, we're in towards the oversold area. In the 4 hourly, we're trying to make some kind of pull up, but right now, this is an interesting spot because every time we come into this area, we can't get any volume to push us down through it. So again, it looks like the same thing. We had a nice little flush here this morning. But now that we get down here, it almost looks like some of these patterns, we're creating like this apple and the diamond bottom. I mean, that looks like an inverse head and shoulders there. So we're going to see if this holds up or if it pulls down. Same thing with Shiba. Shiba went up, did pretty good on my 20X. Got out up here somewhere. I don't remember where it was at. I woke up and I seen it was way up there. But now I bought back in on this support line. So if this doesn't hold, obviously it'll be a new game plan. But this was the support line that I had targeted. But it very easily could pull down. But with Shiba, it looks like it's building some kind of apple and a diamond bottom. If it holds this. If it doesn't hold, well, it's fucked. And then you could have a scenario where this ends up breaking down and, you know, I don't want to say it comes all the way down, but there's a chance that this could break formation. We completed the 2. It's getting supported on the 2 hour, which is very important right now. And we just finished this bullish divergence in the 4 hourly, which is trying to pull up into a divergence in the daily. I just don't know if it can do it. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now with Shiba. I know a lot of people ask me that question, but right now, I mean, honestly, the market looks like it kind of broke down a little bit, unfortunately. And if Bitcoin breaks this, then we're in some big trouble. This is where you would have trouble. If Bitcoin were to break this uptrend. It hasn't yet, guys. Like right now, it's just doing its normal retrace. So, and then what does that mean for XRP? Same thing. XRP's kind of retracing up. Oversold on the RSI and stochastic and the daily, which it lends me to believe that we could be in the midst of something, except we're going to have to get through this area. If not, we'll break down and we'll go down even farther. So, I mean, that's what we're looking at this morning. It's very close. It's a very close thing right now, whether or not we're going to hold on or not. The 20-day we're coming up to, but if we bring it out into the 30-minute, what do we have to look forward to? Has anything happened? Any kind of crosses? Well, XLM started a bullish cross on the 30-minute, so that's a good sign that maybe we can get some support, the 45 as well. What was I looking at over here? Where was Shiba? So I can show you guys the same thing. See, Shiba's already finished all of it, so there is a chance that if it pulls down, it would pull down, but if it holds this area, you would get a nice rocket back up to retest these drop points, but it's only if we can hold these areas. This is the main thing if you're watching Shiba, the 2573, 2568 support. That is a key area because if it holds that, you can have a nice rebound. Bitcoin, there's not a lot of volume coming down, and that is noticeable. So we're going to see if this can hold, but this is holding this area. It looks like a weirdly done inverted head and shoulders here right on the support. So we're going to see it. It's a tricky spot here. We keep coming back down to the support, but we don't bring a lot of volume coming back down here. So there is a chance this market can shift relatively quickly here in the morning trading, but there's also the chance that you just get this overwhelming pull down that really, you know, messes with people. It would too. Like this is already, people are in, but I don't want to go over those because those aren't the ones we cover. But that's basically what I'm seeing in this market. We need to hold this 39,000 you know, this uptrend. If we don't hold the uptrend, we have problems. Right now, it's 50-50 in this market. We're so oversold on the RSI and stochastic that if we could hold this area, you could see a rebound, and it would be a rather quick one this morning. So pay attention, be alert, and pay attention to the Telegram. I took a little time off yesterday, did an update, did a live stream, but then I took the rest of the night off. Had to get my head straight, and it feels real damn good.